It is finally time. All this prep work with my hair, all the bleaching, the color stripping, the oiling, everything I did was all for this moment. Because today I shall dye my hair again. And not just any color, okay? This is something for the OG crystallindyy followers. Because if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I used to have bright yellow hair. For a very long time, I had bright yellow hair. I did it once in my life and I've never dyed it yellow after that. Up until today, because today I shall become yellow again. I'm actually so excited. I'm literally so excited to have yellow hair again. And something else that's really exciting as well is that this video is sponsored by Arctic Fox. I love Arctic Fox so much and I'm literally so excited that they wanted to collaborate with me on this iconic moment. Hopefully. Also, yeah, I'm not gonna do only yellow today because I want to spice it up. So I'm also adding some purple. Okay, let's go. For the people who do not know what Arctic Fox is, I mean, I doubt that any of you who are watching don't know about Arctic Fox. But Arctic Fox is an amazing hair dye brand. They have a really wide range of colors and recently they came out with a special EU formula. And that is the one I'll be using today because I, matter of fact, live in the EU. The thing I really love about the Arctic Fox hair dyes is that they actually make my hair feel so much better. Like they're very like moisturizing and conditioning to my hair. Because I know my hair looks kind of like dry. Like it kind of looks like hay right now. I am fully aware of that. But the moment I'll put these in my hair is gonna look so much better. Not only like color wise, but it's gonna look and feel so much healthier, which is definitely a good thing. Also, they are vegan, cruelty free, amazing. And also they donate 15% of their profits to organizations that help prevent animal cruelty. So that is absolutely amazing. Oh, I dropped it. Don't tell anybody. Anyways, let's get started on dyeing my hair. Because I'm excited. I am excited. Let's go. Hey, first thing we want to do is section of the hair because I'm gonna go for two different colors. This is Cosmic Sunshine, which is the yellow one, which you can tell by the yellow packaging. This one is Purple AF. I just like it to make it a little bit more interesting, you know? So the way I want to do it, I just want to do mainly Cosmic Sunshine. Like most of my head Cosmic Sunshine, but then just some like purple like streaks at the beginning of my head, at like the front. So I was thinking doing like the underneath of my bangs purple and then just like the sides like this. And it's gonna make it a little bit more interesting, you know? So let's see if we can section that off. I never know if I'm like in the middle of the screen or not. Anyways, let's see. There's an alarm going off outside, okay? Like this? I think that'd be cute. So let me just... Also, obviously, as you can tell, my roots, I did bleach them in my last video, but they are a little bit darker than the rest of my hair. So the color is gonna be darker on those parts of my hair too. But I feel like it should be fine with the hair that I'm using. Especially the purple one, it's gonna for sure cover it. And the yellow one, I mean, it's kind of like a yellowy tone anyways. So I think it's actually, I think it should be totally fine. I'm just gonna have a little bit of like a shadow root going on, which I think is a vibe. And I think I wanna have this purple. Maybe even smaller, because I just want it to be like I said, a little bit. And if I wanna have more purple, I'm sure we can just add more later on. I feel like we can probably just add it on top of the yellow dye if we really have to. I mean, obviously those colors cancel each other out, so maybe it's not the best idea, but we'll see. I always find like making the sections the most stressful part of dyeing my hair. Because there's no going back once the hair dye is in there. I can take this off again. Ow, ow, ow. What is going on? What's going on up here? I hope this is gonna look good. Again, it is a very small section. Maybe it's a little bit too small, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So, onto the hair dye. This is Cosmic Sunshine. On the side, you can kind of like see how the color is gonna look on your hair, on like what base color you start off with. And I have the lightest one and the second lightest one, so you can kind of like tell what the color is gonna be. So I'm gonna have my roots are just gonna be a little bit darker. Open the boxy. Also, they have new packaging, as you can see. This is like a tube, and in my humble opinion, these are the best kind of packages because I just love a tube. I love a tube because it's so much easier to get all the product out. So, love that. Also, I love doing this. Satisfying. Oh my god, you look how yellow. I am low-key scared, but also excited. Oh my god, you can see how yellow. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. I have a lot of hair, so I might actually need the entire tube. But let me just start off with like half the bottle, because I don't want to be wasting anything. This is giving me major flashbacks. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's actually crazy, like the flashbacks I'm getting. This is always very satisfying to me. Ooh. Oh. Let me actually just put some gloves on real fast. Okay, I think most of the front section is done. Let's now go on to the back of my head, and for that we shall use a mirror. So I can actually see what I'm doing. Feeling very early on Lady Gaga now. Lady Gaga from Telephone. Oh my god. Cosplay moment. Okay, we can get rid of this. Make sure I'm not touching my white wall with my yellow hands. Last pieces. Then we can go on to purple. Okay. The yellow is all in my hair. So, just gonna get that out of the way. And then we can continue on the purple. Which hopefully is gonna look cute. I think so. I mean, purple and yellow are like an amazing combination. That color combo, weirdly, I don't know why, but that... Oh, maybe because it's like complementary colors, right? Are they complementary or opposite colors? Or is that the same thing? Wait. Let me just quickly wash my hands so I get all the yellow dye off these gloves, so I won't stain the purple part. Ow. Hands are clean. Cheers. Let's now take these sections out. Damn, I really made some tight braids over here. Sheesh. I did accidentally dye a little bit of the front section yellow, but again, should be fine. Purple one. Whee! only get a clean bowl, I'm just gonna put it in there. Only the tiniest amount, obviously, because this is not a lot of hair that we have to cover. Let's go! That covered the yellow so easily, so that's no problem at all. Gotta be very precise though, which as we all know is not my strong suit, but okay. Oh, pretty and purple. I gotta be honest, purple is still, I mean, I love blue hair too, but I think purple is definitely my favorite hair color. And also my most used hair color. I think it's just like the 3rd time this year that I'm dyeing my hair purple. Let's do the bangs now. Gotta be super careful. Ah! Actually, like, it is very stressful to be this precise, but I also like the challenge. Oh my god, look at that. My hair is purple and yellow. Oh my god, my ear is itchy. Ooh, and I don't want to have purple ear. Wait. Oh, itchy ear. Ooh. Don't look at this. Don't look. Okie dokie. Everything is covered. So now I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for around 30 minutes, maybe 40. Just gonna see how I feel, but a minimum of 30 minutes. And then when I rinse it out, obviously I have 2 different colors, so it's gonna be a little bit more tricky. But what I'm gonna try to do is do the purple first and then the yellow. So the purple won't stain the yellow, because obviously the purple is like way darker than the yellow. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. So let me do that, and then I'll be back with the end results. Okay, see you later, alligator. Hello, and welcome to my new hair color. Oh my god, I'm so yellow, I'm so yellow, I'm so yellow. Okay, I have to be honest, the first time I looked in the mirror, I did bamboozle myself a little bit. It was a pretty intense difference, but now I am used to it and I absolutely love it. Oh my god, I think it's so cute. Look how beautiful the color is. Also the purple, like, it goes together so well. Oh my god, look at it. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. Also, yeah, matching makeup, obviously, because we love a matching moment. This is probably the biggest transformation I've had in a while. Look. Also, I told you guys, look how healthy my hair is looking right now. And I didn't do anything with it, okay? I just washed the hair dye out. I didn't even use any conditioner. And I used a little bit of the Hunny hair repair serum, which is also from Arctic Fox. Well, from xoxology, which is like their hair care branch. It looks so much healthier now, and it feels so much better. And it is yellow. Definitely more my vibe than blonde hair. Blonde hair is just a little bit too normal for an idiot like me. This was today's hair dyeing journey. I hope you guys loved it. Big shout out to Arctic Fox for sponsoring this video. Also, if you want to buy your own beautiful hair dye, then I have a link in the description box down below, and you can use code crystallindyy for 15% off your purchase. And then you can get some beautiful yellow hair like me too. Or a different color. It's up to you. What do you think of my hair? Oh, you're kind of colorblind, aren't you? You probably don't even notice the difference. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you like my new hair color. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao ciao. Kiss kiss, bye bye, ciao. to show you one more thing. Wait, let me put the lights on me. Look how it looks when my hair is up. That's so cute. Okay, sorry, I just had to show you guys. Bye.